दे रहे, दो ठो दे रहे तुमको दो ठो दे रहे। You can see their happiness. They are totally over the moon. They are extremely delighted. So let me ask a couple of questions to Ammar and Afifa. So Ammar, why are you so happy? Say a few words about it.
This house is not just a structure, it is the beginning of a new chapter.
Oh, that's lovely. Afifa, would you like to say a few words about this new house?
The moment we stepped inside, we felt a warm and positive energy.
Oh, that's fantastic. That's lovely. No one can stop them. Just after entering this house, they are really happy. Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special day because we have just moved into our new rental house and I am so excited to take you along on this new journey. So let's get started. So I am outside now and I am going to give you a tour inside. Come on Ammar. So let's go inside and have a look at our new home. Come on. So this is where our floor begins. This is the entrance to my home. I will take you my home through this. Let me tell you what an entrance is. An entrance is the area or point where you enter a building or house, usually including the door and the space around it. Okay, so Mark, come on, let me show you everything. Okay, so this is our living area right in the middle of the house. Sometimes we call it the living area, but sometimes we call it the central hall, and sometimes we call it the central space as well. Okay, so here is the first kitchen which is still under construction, so that is why I'm not going to show this, but I will show you the second kitchen that is located that side. Okay, but before that I'm going to show you the first room at my home. So this is our first room where my auntie is living. Ammar and Afifa are living. You can see this is a beautiful room and a great ventilation system. By the way, Hassan is watching mobile phone, you can see. Come on Ammar. So it is going to be the store room. By the way, it is also a beautiful room. So this is my personal room where I stay, and this is going to be the setup for my YouTube channel where I will shoot all my videos, and I am planning to decorate this room beautifully because I am really excited to show a new style to my wonderful viewers. So don't miss my next videos because those videos are going to be fantastic and exciting. And this is one more room that is spacious, and it has also a great ventilation system. There are two beautiful windows, and pink color is also giving a great look, you can see. And here is the second kitchen. So here is the second kitchen and it has enough space. Our whole family along with 10 to 12 guests can comfortably enjoy a meal together. So this looks a simple and functional kitchen with a traditional setup, you can see, and the pink walls give it a warm and cozy feel, and there is plenty of natural light coming through the windows. You can see there are beautiful windows. So overall it has a great ventilation system, and I have never seen such a spacious kitchen before. That's amazing. Look at that, a peaceful open space right outside our floor terrace. From here you can enjoy the fresh air and watch kids, cricketers, footballers playing on the ground. It is a Pilawal International ground. Jokes apart, it is a beautiful ground, and because it is rainy season, So football tournament is also coming soon. So don't forget to enjoy. So anyway, this is the terrace area, and as you can see, it has stainless steel railings all around for safety, because we have kids at our home. So as you know, kids are really mischievous, so that is why it is a good initiative to protect them from falling down.